Hello students, welcome to all to our GK class. So let's start. First question is Sakur Khan. Sakur Khan is related to Bina, Sitar, Dholak and Sarangi. This is a question of SSC CGL. So right answer is Sarangi. With Sarangi related personalities are Ostad Sabri Khan, Sultan Khan. With Bina, Asad Ali Khan, Subir Misra, Jayanti Kumares. In Setar, Ravi Shankar. Important, very important, Bilayat Khan, Anushka Shankar, Imrat Khan, Inayat Khan, and in Dholak, Girish Biswa. Next, which is the longest canal of India? Indira Gandhi Canal, Yamuna Canal, Munak Canal, and Agra Canal. Right answer option A, Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal of India. Next, silver fiber revolution. Silver fiber revolution is associated with jute, cotton, fish, and onion. The right answer cotton. Blue revolution is related to fish, red revolution meat, green revolution food grains, pink revolution onion and prawn, grey revolution fertilizer, golden revolution jute, black revolution petroleum, yellow revolution oil seeds like mustard oil, silver revolution egg poultry products and cotton also, white revolution milk and dairy products. Who is the writer of Becoming? Look at the options. It is a famous book. It is written by Michelle Obama. Option C is the right answer. Next, the capital of Israel is Tehran, Baghdad, Damascus and Jerusalem. The right answer, Jerusalem. Tehran is the capital of Iran. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. And Damascus is the capital of Syria. Which of the following blood vessels carries blood away from the heart? Away from the heart. Vein, artery, capillary, nerve. The right answer, artery. Pin Valley National Park is situated in. This is also a question of SSC CGL. Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The right answer, Himachal Pradesh. Like Khir Ganga National Park, Inder Killa National Park, Simbalbara National Park and Great Himalayan National Park. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla during summer and Dharmshala in winter. So there are two capitals, in summer Shimla, in winter Dharmshala. Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, currently who is the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? Sukhbinder Singh Sukhu. Next, who is the father of computers? James Gosling, Charles Babbage, Dennis Ritchie and John Ottaham. Father of computer is called Charles Babbage. Which two digits are used in computer binary coding? In computer only two digits are used, 0 and 1. So right answer option B. Who is the first woman president of India? Draupadi Murmu, Pratibha Patil, Indira Gandhi and Fatema Bibi. Right answer option B, Pratibha Patil. Fatema Bibi was the first judge of Supreme Court. First judge of Supreme Court. First woman judge of Supreme Court. First woman judge of Supreme Court. Next, who was the last Tirthankars of Jainism? Neminath, Rishabdev, Parasnath and Mahavir. There are 24 Tirthankars in Jainism and the last one Mahavir. The resistance of ideal voltmeter is 0, infinite, 100 ohm and 1000 ohm. With the help of voltmeter, we can measure voltage or potential difference. So the resistance of ideal voltmeter is infinite. Next, the Hindu Widows Remarriage Act passed in 1855, 1856, 1857 and 1859. The right answer 1856. Next, who is the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar, Ganesh Malbhankar, P.A. Sangama and Krishnamurti Rao. The right answer option B, Ganesh Malbhankar. The ratio of length to breadth of national flag is 2:1, 3:2, 3:1 and 4:3. It is 3:2. Who is the political guru of Gandhiji? Mahadev Desai, Karamchand Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Surendranath Bandyopadhyay. The right answer, Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the political guru of Gandhiji. Karamchand Gandhi was the father of Gandhiji and Mahadev Desai was the private secretary of Gandhiji. So that's all for today. Your class is over here.